I'm Bryce.
I'm Hannah.
And this is Our Lil Adventures.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l
Alrighty, y'all. So another adventure is on the way. Today, we are headed to Blackwater Falls State Park. Yeah, Blackwater Falls State Park. Another waterfall adventure here in West Virginia. We do have the dogs with us today because I know the last video we couldn't have them with us. Well, we could, we just didn't want to bring them with us. But we're gonna go head to the store really quick just to grab a couple things that we need, and then we're gonna head on to where we need to go. Now this place is a little bit further. It's a little bit more of a drive on this one, so you're gonna be seeing a lot more driving scenery on this one, but I hope you all enjoy it, and until then, I hope you all enjoy the scenery. Alrighty, so we have found it, and just really quick I'm gonna go show you all the trail that we're gonna do, because there's two options that you can do here. So we're currently here, and if you want to, you can follow Blackwater Falls Road all the way down.
So I had to cut the audio here because it just ended up being way too bad of an audio to even use. But basically what I'm talking about here is how you can follow Blackwater Road all the way down to a different parking area that also has snacks as well, which you all will see later on in the video. But you can follow that road to a different overlook. Now that overlook does not have a trail, whereas the overlook that we used does have a trail. But that is basically the gist of what I'm talking about here.
Damn, it's a little bit chillier. I'm almost debating about putting on my sweater.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I didn't bring any warm, because I thought it was going to be hot today. But all right, let's get these dogs out really quick. Like always, they're so chaotic, man. All right, we're gonna get on our stuff, and then we're gonna get onto the trail. So you all will see us here in a bit.
I did a wardrobe change.
Wardrobe change. But yeah, this is definitely, it's a little chilly today, which is surprising, honestly, because I did not think it was gonna be a chilly day. But if we're talking about money, which we always like to do, because of course these adventures are always budget friendly to the pocketses, we have spent $0 so far, except for gas, other than gas. So that can be anything of what it would be for you all, but it is free to get in here. The parking, there was like almost no one in the parking, so that was awesome. But yeah, so I honestly didn't even see how long this trail is. I'm thinking it's at least a mile trail, which is good because I'm fat. I need to work this off. But we're gonna find, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk this trail, and then when we get to the scenic overlook or whatever where the waterfall is, we'll probably eat our lunch there, in all honesty. Because not a lot of people are really on this trail. Also, this trail is like rocks, so just be prepared for that. It also looked like there was bikers and runners, so also be prepared for that. Try not to get these freaking dogs tangled up. But enough of me talking. I hope you all enjoy this. This trail has got a lot of pockets of water. So if it rained anytime within the last couple of days, honestly, you're gonna have to deal with water. Especially because, as you can see, there's a little pond right there. So we're having to find the best ways. Minnie just walks in the water, so that's what Minnie does. Wait, do we go straight or do we go left?
Oh.
No, because it was a straight shot, wasn't it?
I don't know.
But then it branched off.
I don't know.
Uh-oh. Okay, so we're gonna turn around because I feel like we should have kept following the rocks. And when we looked at it, I don't think it branched left. Pretty sure that map branched right. Watch, I'm gonna do a freaking playback and it's gonna branch left. And we're gonna find that out here soon. But we're gonna go back. We're gonna follow the rocks. And hopefully that works. Also, I can smell Bella's farts. That's so awesome. Yay me. Oh, Minnie is not a fan. She was not a fan of that. Holy.
Frozen to the bone, there's darkness in your soul. You're cold, cold heart. You're cold, cold heart. Yeah, hold me like a ghost and won't leave me alone. Cold, cold heart. You're
So we saw that car and we were like, wait, what just happened? How did we just do a loop? But we didn't do a loop. We didn't. So I guess now this is reserved parking for the tenter site is what this is. So now we're gonna figure out, you just keep following this road, I'm thinking, for where we need to be. So right on, this is gonna be fun. Looks like we go this way. Yep, this is definitely the way we go. This is a catch and release area, so it looks like you are allowed to fish. Alright. And now you got a pavement path. Something looking down there, that might be a good lunch spot potentially. Potentially, what'd you say?
Our dogs are famous.
I know.
They're just the cutest in the world.
Wow. Got our own little lunches here. She's got homemade chicken salad again.
I like chicken salad.
what can we say? She likes it. And then I did like a chicken salad, or a full chicken on my salad. Bella, lay down. Come on. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lunch. Didn't eat all of it just because it wasn't like the greatest thing we've made in the world, but it was alright. She's taking the easy route because she's afraid of the rocks. But Minnie's wrapped her around a tree.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is going so poorly.
Oh, she just ripped her pants.
Just fantastic.
Dang. How do you feel about that wound?
I feel like, you know, in the movies where the girls' clothes just get ripped apart.
Uh-huh.
I feel like that right now.
Alright.
So,
We're going to figure out where we gotta go to get to that lower trail. Because we want... Oh my gosh, these dogs, man. Because we want to go look at that. We both think that would be really cool. So we're gonna probably head back to the car on that one trail, and then we'll be driving down to that parking lot or whatever it is down there.
This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work. This is how I feel and I can't stop. Opposites attract, I need you non-stop. 'Cause I know it ain't easier. We can still make it work.
Did you make your own weapon over there?
I did.
Wow.
It's and it's retractable. See, it's like,
Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
You hurt someone with that thing.
Well, that's the intention.
Okay. Alrighty, so we made it back to the car. Now we're gonna go find the lower part, but first, what did you have to do?
I have to go to the gas station.
Because she's got to go to the bathroom. I actually have to go to the bathroom too. So we're gonna go to the gas station real quick, go to the bathroom, and then we're gonna go to the next parking spot. And there's 2 overlook points that we're gonna be able to see. So we'll look at those, and then we're gonna head on home. So we will see you all here in a little bit. Go across the bridge, and then you follow the road down just like 0.2 miles, if that, and then you turn left down Blackwater Falls Road, and then you're all good to go. So yeah, so we're gonna get everyone out of the car, get them set to go, and then we'll show you the gorgeous scenery. All right, you ready for this next one?
Yes, sir.
All right, so this one is a quick walk. There's not much to it. There is actually a snack bar over there too, it looks like. But this one, sorry, what did you say?
I was gonna say I saw it on the.
Gotcha. But this one, there's a lot more people on. So just be prepared for that. There's lots of dogs. There is a lot of people on this one. So we're gonna walk down this trail. Like I said, there's not much to it. So I hope you all enjoy the scenery.
At this point, I feel like I should just be giving up on this video, but we just had so much fun on this trip and we want to share it with all of you, but unfortunately, this mic has gone kaput. So what I was saying here was that we were the talk of the trail. Everyone absolutely loved the dogs. They just wanted to stop and pet them and love on them, and just, they didn't even care about the waterfall anymore. They just cared about the dogs. And that's just what I was talking about here and going over. It just sucks. There's so many parts that got missed out because of the microphone issues on this video.
Again, so all in all,
What is this place called again?
Blackwater Falls State Park. So all in all, I'd say a big success. We spent $0 on this adventure other than gas money, which gas is probably like what, 10 bucks? 15?
Yeah.
So, not that bad, but we're gonna make our way back up these stairs. I'm gonna turn the camera off though, because there's a lot of dogs, so we'll be back. Alrighty, so we made it back to the car. We're safe and sound. We are gonna head on home now though. Eat last night's leftovers for dinner, which is those yummy Philly cheesesteaks.
I'm so excited
I'm
about that.
so hyped for that, man. Oh my gosh. But I don't really think I'm gonna really show too much of the drive back home, just because it's basically the same thing. He'll be a little bit there, but the next time you all see us is when we get back home. So I hope you all enjoy the views. Safe and sound. My tummy is a wumble rumble. Bella, can you like stop walking around, you weirdo? So we're gonna eat some food, watch some. Bella, stop, please. I really don't want to listen to that when I'm editing. I know it's gonna annoy the crap out of me. So just sit. Thank you. Love you. Good girl. Even better. Thank you. All right. So we're gonna eat some food, watch some TV. But also this weekend is Father's Day, so make sure you all wish your fathers a happy Father's Day. To my dad, happy Father's Day. I love you.
Father's Day.
I can't wait to spend the day with you tomorrow. Eat some yummy food and stuff like that. So, but hope you all have a good one. If you all like watching videos like these and want to catch more of them, make sure you all like and subscribe. Turn those notification bells on, and we will see you all on the next one. Peace out, y'all.